बैठ जाइए देवेंद्र जी। नथिंग विल गो ऑन रिकॉर्ड, नथिंग विल गो ऑन रिकॉर्ड। प्रोफेसर सौगत राय जी, आप जानते हैं कि जो आज भारत के बाहर बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं उनसे 125 बिलियन का रेमिटेंस इंडिया को आ रहा है। आप जानते हैं। शशि थरूर जी, डॉक्टर शशि थरूर जी, डॉक्टर शशि थरूर जी, डॉक्टर शशि थरूर नहीं दे आर सेंड रेमिटेंस। चलिए
सर, I'd like to briefly comment on the minister's earlier answer before asking my question. The Honourable Minister, he has celebrated, of course, the high quality of institutions. We have 11 in the top 500, etc. But do understand, Mr. Minister, that of the number of students who are seeking a good education, what a small percentage gets into these excellent institutions. IIT's admission rate is 0.08% of applicants. So you're looking at a country where, beyond any shadow of a doubt, there is a lack of access to high-quality education for the vast majority of students. We should not overlook that point, sir, because these outstanding stalwarts have gone from a few islands of excellence in a vast ocean of mediocrity. Let's face it, and we do need to improve it. But, sir, my question has not been asked. That's just a comment. The question is the following, sir. When I asked the question number F in this, I didn't get an answer from you as to the reasons, and I must say the organization I used to head in the Congress Party, the All India Professionals Congress, conducted a study in Kerala about the reasons for why students are trying to emigrate. We got 17 factors in the detailed survey that we conducted, of which one is certainly the one we talked about, lack of access to high-quality institutions. Another one, undoubtedly, is the relative lack of academic freedom in Indian campuses by comparison with foreign campuses, as well as, of course, greater social restrictions on the life of children here and so on, and more opportunities for off-campus work. There are a number of matters to do with the environment and academic universities, sir, which we must understand. For the minister to give an answer which avoids the question, I have read his 2 pages reply, sir. There is no answer as to the reasons. I'm giving him some reasons and seeking his comments.
He will reply.
Is the ministry aware of these factors that are motivating students, and what is the ministry able to do to provide incentives for students to remain in our country rather than go abroad? That's the question.
माननीय मंत्री जी, अगर मैं कह देता हूं तो माननीय मंत्री जी तो फिर आप उत्तर दें, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन होने चाहिए।
Chairman sir, I appreciate Honorable Senior Member Shashi Tharoor Saab's concern. Certainly, I will personally invite him to my office. I can go to your house. I would like to, sir, why? Say why?
Allowed to respond, please.
Chairman sir, why my two dear friends from Kerala, please, why Honorable Venugopal ji and Premchand ji, please. Why my dear friend Premchand ji and Venugopal ji so intolerant towards when I appreciate some few points of my dear friend Shashi Tharoor ji? You should please listen my answer first. I am ready to, this government is open to take suggestions, idea from anybody. If Shashi Tharoor ji with his capacity has, and he was HRD minister of this country, and he is represent Kerala. Kerala has an aspirational society. There he is not, I'll learn from him. There are a lot of aspirational issues might be there in his 17 point. Kerala people are very, very aspirational to go abroad, especially in the neighboring area. So this is a holistic thing. We are committed. We brought national education policy after 34 years. For the first time in our country, our government has envisioned a ranking framework. National ranking framework has been envisioned by this government. We are very much insisting coming out reforms on the NAC, NBA. We are committed to bring out our standards in our own institution, our country. But education is such a vast subject. If we want to be a global leader, if we want to be Vishwa Bandhu, we cannot work in isolation. We have to open our ear and eyes. I am personally ready to accept any kind of positive suggestion from any member of this august house.
Question number 85, Putta Mahesh Kumar. माननीय सदस्य, माननीय मंत्री जी, आपका माननीय मंत्री श्रम मंत्री जी।
उत्तर सभा पटल पर।
माननीय सदस्य